Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to private Telegram channels. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to private Telegram channels, you need to simply go to Telegram. So once you're in your Telegram, you can simply go and tap on the pencil-like icon. So once you tap on the pencil-like icon, all you gotta do is simply start a new channel. Once you start a new channel, you need to tap on the create channel name and give it a description and a name. After this, tap on the tick mark and now you can find the channel type if you want a public channel or a private channel. So if you want to have a private Telegram channel, tap on private channel. Now you can share the link to your close ones or copy the link and paste it on the group you want to share it. Private channels are hidden from search and users can only join via a specific invite link, making them idle for restricted, secure broadcasting. So this way you can create private Telegram channels. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.